Chugga chugga choo choo. What's up, guys? AKA, some of you call me Crazy Russian. That's right. How are you today? With DCCTRAIN LLC multi-chain store in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today, you saw the picture preview. I'm trying to do more videos possible. But good news. So we're going to the right away to the top camera. A couple of introduction, probably it takes like 5 minutes. So what you see here, it's mobile control, ESU mobile control 2. Okay, I have 3 units. Here, PI Sprog, full package. So full package contain Raspberry Pi, PI Sprog, sorry, Raspberry Pi, PI Sprog. You can use your own Raspberry Pi, okay? Sorry. Okay. Then power supply for PI Sprog, actually for Raspberry Pi right here. Power supply, this guy, 3 amps, connects straight to the PI Sprog, which is provide power to your layout. Okay, this is my test stand. You'll probably ask me, what's the deal with the stand? Stand is old, made in Germany million years ago. Marklin bought the company. I don't know what's going on right now. Sorry about that. So let's keep rock and roll. The purpose of this broadcast is I showing you with the latest update of the rail engine driver, okay, which is working with the JMRI, okay, and the piece of JMRI, in that case command version on that micro SD card plugged right to the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so that's my full digital system, wirelessly accessible, 3 amps. Okay, also I connect the mouse. We just need the mouse today. I can connect full keyboard in the programming mode. I just want to overwhelm with this information. Okay, a couple of things I just want to adjust, so make sure we're cool, and we should be very cool. Yes, so keep streaming. All good. I tried to plan it, but Super Bowl day, so a lot of stuff going on. So it's a Linux-based operating system, I should say, and Sprog running using it. So what I'm doing right now, it maybe sounds complicated, but literally, that's the package. So we're selling them, of course, $150. You're done. 3 amps, wireless. You just need the phone or something like smartphone, tablet, or whatever. But this is different story right now. That's the reason I want to show you it's working with the engine driver. The full capability of mobile control 2 is good now. This is a JMRI nice engine we just got, sold out almost everything. I'm going to start the Raspberry Pi, means the whole system right now. So I'm just plugging in. Usually I'm not turning it off, but I move it a lot. So you see a couple of LEDs start, and look at the screen. It will be starting procedure. Okay, maybe I can. Yeah, it's fine. We don't need the full screen. We just need a couple of things here. Okay, yeah, we don't need that whole thing. So mouse connected. Just wait a couple of seconds. JMRI starting. Okay, and right here, just grab. That's the full thing. JMRI. Probably a lot of you familiar with this. We need to pull that throttle. So I'm on operation mode. If I need a programming mode, I need a different micro SD card, and start, swap it and reboot. Okay, let's reduce this. We don't need that. That's create like virtual server. For they calling it white throttle. There is an app, white throttle. I'll show you. I will have like 5 nodes on that local wireless network. So sorry, Irina, but that's okay. It's all technical stuff. I have the same presentation. Я имею другую презентацию, такую же на моем русском канале. Я потом поставлю ссылку. Okay, let's keep guys going. Super Bowl, need to be prepared. Alrighty. So as you can see, one device connected, but we'll connect them all. So this is new Pixel 2. What's the name? Google, is that Google Pixel? Yes. So I have it here. That JMRI running on a server, and this is engine driver. Okay. To able to do it, you need to install latest version of it, 2.17. We can go 2.15. This will be fine, okay. But with Mobile Control 2, is required 2.17 something else. So if we go in here in the properties, sorry about that, here, about 2.17, etc. Hopefully camera catch, but yes, that's what you need. Go back. Now I'm going to connect all of them, and you will see they will be showing up here in the list of those white throttles right there. So I'm connecting. 1 second. Yes, just restart it again. Okay. Connect. See, ED4, and I'll tell you how to change the name. Because when you're installing that any version, it just generates on the 3 identical mobile control or identical phones, maybe, it will be conflict. So that system should be recognize them as a different name devices. They definitely have different IP addresses, but it's still messing around, so you need to change them. How to change them, I'll show you. Let's just start all guys here. Okay. I'm just exiting and starting over. Okay. This throttle just selling separately. Connect. Yes. Maybe. Oh, it's possible. I'm on. It probably dropped me from my wireless network. Make sure you're connecting to Sprog. I'll show you how to do it. Just make sure we're cool. Yeah, it's Sprog. Okay. So first of all, I have a different videos on PI Sprog, but it's broadcasting right away. Sprog, that's the wireless network name, Sprog-PI3. Okay, you need to connect it, and the password is PI-Sprog. It's in the manual coming with that package. Okay, so as soon as you connect it, you cool, you good. Okay, then we just need to start engine driver, and I think I have a little bit issue here. That's okay, it's live presentation as usual, everything's cool. Yes, I'm going to exit it. Yes, this with that background, This is coming with a cab control, okay? ESU new cab control. And I can use it as well. Maybe I need to exit twice. Can connect host. Okay, start over here. So we have two devices here, that phone and this guy, okay? Starting again, just in case. Yes, it should be working. See, you have the third guy. That's how engine driver 4EE3, that's how software just generate that name on that throttle, okay? And all those motorized knobs, you'll check them later. So I all connect to the, oh, that guy a little bit not friendly today. It was working before, of course, haha. Yeah, let's just disconnect and forget and reconnect. Takes a second. That's actually good. So I'm connecting. It says, you see, P-I dash Sprog. A little bit small numbers, letters, but yeah. So I'm connecting it. Not in range. Something really going on. Forget, okay. I'll tell you this, because this is brand new from the box. I didn't update it yet with with the new update. Jeff, how are you, man? That's okay. I'm just powering off just in case maybe some software updates. Again, doesn't matter. So we have three devices. I'll bring that guy soon. Shutting down. Yes. Back to life. So we have three units. They displaying here, and the fourth will be this, my white throttle, which is free, but you can buy another version that gives you access to the switches. So I'm also on the wireless network, the same network. I'll show you in a second. On the Sprog, a couple of updates didn't catch. Show you in a second. Oh yeah, I need to definitely go here to Sprog 3, PI3. Okay. It's connected. Now we're good. And I'm starting white throttle. Okay. Power status unknown. This is unknown too. I just turn it off and turn back on. Maybe you can see the strobe light beacon, small beacon on the engine, and the lights turn on. Sorry, it's kind of in the angle, but and it's exactly power on here. Let's start the other guy, which is messing around. So we have like power here, green. We have power here, green, and green here. You can play with the contrast of these guys. I just want to save battery. I'm doing a lot of different broadcasts today. So we're going to the main, and that's standard white throttle, nothing like fancy schmancy. It's the same thing with a bunch of functions. I like it. It's great. We can start the engine. Supposed to be, oh, sorry, it's not selected. We're selecting engine, setting the engine, going to the throttle, and voila, start the engine. Okay, and it's actually F8 here, and it's F8. I'm selecting the engine here, it's 3, and it's F8, yes, and I can okay, all connected wirelessly directly to PI Sprog. I would like to know Start with DCC. Start with DCC. Okay, I guess Jeff is asking to start with DCC. Just 1 second, sir. I'll finish. We're finishing really quick, and I'll talk about more about it. Yes, definitely. I need to know what's you just type it. What your scale and how many engines you gonna run. Maybe with your friends, you know, family members, or you're doing by yourself on a small layout size, you know. Okay, so we cool. And if you can see this, it will show you its blowing horn function 2. I'm sorry, 2. Okay, let's start this guy, causing a little bit problem. Okay, very important now. Before, with previous version, I cannot use this at all, but now watch. Yeehaw! Fully functioning 28 functions. Bingo. Now, this is motorized thing for different purposes. I'm not gonna overwhelm you today, but you can use those buttons and it will be reacting. And all here, with like slight delay, will react also, turn down to the 0. Okay? Bringing engine back again. You see this here. It's not doing anything on that wide throttle. I'm not sure about software, but I didn't establish that. It's just I'm doing it today only. First time when I found out there is the version for engine driver, you can use it. Okay, and let's just turn them off. Let's see how we're doing here. Alrighty. Yes, this is brand new throttle from the box. There are 2 updates. I didn't do them yet. Maybe it's actually supporting better than wireless network. Let me one more time. It's not on. Wireless not on. We turn it on. Wi-Fi on. Okay. And I think that's partially a problem. So going back to the menu, make sure we on the Sprog wireless network. We not, but we're connecting right now. Yes, I need to connect it again just in case. So it's PI dash Sprog. Okay, connect. Obtaining IP address. Connected. Bingo. Yeah, it was probably just updates or whatever. Bingo. See, I have my 5 units here. Check that. I cannot expand more, but it's five of them. Okay. On this last one, engine driver 2, I renamed them. I'll show you how to do it. I'm pressing engine number. Boom. Okay. How to change them? If you're not changing them, the software is, again, just repeating myself, just in case. If you're not changing the names, and that's how you're changing the names here. For example, it's just easy. Same thing will be just easy to do it here. The button here on top and button here on the bottom for properties, preferences actually. And you throttle name. You just click on this and change it. So this is ED4. You change it to whatever you like. Put some maybe sticker 1, 2, 3 phone or whatever you guys doing. That's it. Bingo. Any questions, I'll answer. And Jeff, what scale are you going? What scale are you going to model, and what era? Because starting with DCC, it's definitely those days is simple. Under $150, you're getting 3 amp system with that PI Sprog. You know, you can get Zephyr, you can get ESU cap control wireless 7 amps, and there are a variety of them. NC, great system. They just brought a very nice extension, new to me. New extension, again, maybe it's existed before, like 5 amps extension booster, so it's great, compatible with the power cab. Okay, so it's cool. I don't think so. Jeff is answering me, so it's hard to determine, but watch my videos. I can do news. Actually, I'm going to do a lot of ESU ECOS command station, step-by-step kind of presentation. I just need to update it and start over what's new. I did few, but we'll definitely do more. All right, guys, I think it's everything's cool right now, and going, yeah, it's all good. Yeah, Super Bowl is coming. I was so excited, you know, to show you. Yesterday, actually, yes, I did it yesterday. It was like just blow my mind when I saw one gentleman. Thank you. Sorry, I don't remember your name, but one person comment on one of my latest about mobile control too. I believe the video, or yeah, and tell with the version 2.17. Okay, guys, only one thing, you installing it. If you have the ESU mobile control too, it's on your own. Right, it's testing version. Maybe something not gonna work, but it's still working because independent, and you can uninstall it real quick. Okay, I would like to. Okay, so just like refreshing. That will be all for today, guys. Don't forget subscribe, and more than that, click on the bell. YouTube changing rules and everything on the bell button. Yeah, so you're not gonna miss the broadcast. Also, I'm trying to schedule this broadcast. I scheduled probably like half an hour ago. I'll try to do it a day, so mostly for the evenings, and earlier through the day on Saturday from the DCCTRAIN store. If you're interested in this PI Sprog full package, all links will be in the description, and I'll left a comment, you know. That will be all for today. Thanks for coming, supporting business. If somebody needs subscribers, just write it down. I don't mind. We need to help each other. Somebody may be losing monetization in almost like in 2 weeks. You need to get like 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, just to leave a comment. Our guys will help you not losing monetization. 1,000 in last 12 months subscribers, and 4,000 hours of watch time. Usually it's if your channel popular but just not a lot of subscribers, hours is not a problem, because I think at that point I have like triple of those hours, but it's everything changed. And I think they changed also kind of not scoring, like rewarding program, something. I got today message from YouTube like, yeah, on AK Crazy Russian channel, like, yeah, you like at 1,000 subscribers. It was like, man, that was 6-7 months ago. So anyway, thanks for supporting business. Have a good one. Have fun at the Super Bowl. Alrighty. Have a good one. Bye-bye. chaga chaga, choo choo,